Hi lovely people, I'm back again with another new video. Today I'm going to talk about the topic related vocabulary regarding work-life balance. So dear guys, let's begin. Guys, at first we have to know what is work-life balance. Well, work-life balance is the amount of time you spend doing your job compared with the amount of time you spend with your family and doing things you enjoy. There's a good range of key vocabulary and expressions about work-life balance. Number 1, outlet means a release or a way to relieve something like stress. Next, delegate means give a piece of work to someone else in your team, or delegate means to allocate or assign a piece of work to someone in your team. Strike means reach or achieve. Next, to have a monkey on your back means to have a burden or problem. Next, to outsource means to employ or to hire someone else to do it. Next, clock up lots of overtime means work lots of overtime. Next, now we are talking about work-life balance. So guys, how do you achieve a work-life balance? There are some good points or key ideas about these questions. Number 1, I like you to draw a line between work and home. I need to have good time management skills. Next, mind management is really important. It's good to have outlets for our stress, or it's good to have outlets for your stress. Leave matters of work at the office. Next, refuse to take your work at home. Use flexi time. Here, what is flexi time? Flexi time is a flexible hour schedule that allows workers to alter workday start and finish times. Next, be clear on your values. Do things that align with your values. Manage your boss. Use the Pareto principle. Do what only you can do. Next, why do some people have a poor work-life balance? There are some good range of key points or ideas about these questions. In general, they are not good at getting the monkey off their back. Most of the time, they can't delegate effectively. Frankly speaking, they are guilty of procrastination. To be honest, they have a habit of procrastinating. Especially, it's really hard to strike a balance. However, there is excessive stress at the workplace. And last but not the least, they are bad at managing their time and work. And also last but not the least, they clock up lots of overtime, means they work lots of overtime. So dear guys, how was the today's video? Please let me know your feedback in the comment below. And last but not the least, thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share, and see you in the next new video.